Yay! Yay! Good job, Elizabeth.
Good girl, eating macaroni.
Yes, ma'am.
See, Daddy, I'm doing it all by myself.
Just Grandma has to put it on the spoon for me.
Not in the hair.
Whoops!
Saved it. Good girl.
There you go. She can eat with both hands. Oh no, that's scary.
Are you going to be a lefty and a righty? Yeah. Mm-hmm.
She's really shoveling it in.
Look at Mommy. Say, I did it. I did it.
Left, right, left, right.
Good girl. All right, say bye-bye to Daddy. Wave bye-bye. Yay!
Can Mommy do that for a minute so I can get out?